Ayan. Mag-aano sila, oh. Pila na si Daddy. Mag-aano sila, mag-racing sila. Wow. Parang totoo. Mag-racing. Okay, that's very big. Baby, are you ready? Yeah. Are you excited? Oh, this first time kasi nilang nag-drive. So, it's very, yeah, just take it easy. That's Cameron. And that's Jacob. Whoops! Whoops! Okay, go, go! Go!
Go! Give him a couple laps.
Of course, we're having fun. Of course, we're having fun like a professional racer. Go! Go, Cameron! I think that's Jacob. Here they are! Go! Go, Cameron! Because they are having fun. Oh my gosh, what's that? Nanonood lang si Mami at saka si Daddy. Hindi naman pwedeng pwedeng sumali, pero syempre no. Hindi nakakayanin ng powers. Maganda kasi nga kaya kami nandito sa Vegas kasi apat yan sila, magkakabarkada. Nandito kami lahat para magkita-kita sila. Ayan, katatapos lang yung nila, first race nila. Tapos meron pa palang second race. Naghihintay sila. Ito naman yun ngayon. Magre-race. Ito yung dito na yung dalawang racer namin. Wow! Had fun!
How was it? Was it good? You have one more race. So go
oh my gosh!
That's how you went far. Okay.
That's nice! Okay, Jacob, faster. Okay, you had fun, baby.
I have it here.
Jacob,
They emailed me.
You had fun.
It's on my email. I will show it to you. Okay, go. Here. Okay, put your helmet back there. Come on.
You had fun.
Jacob's 4th place, Cameron's 5th place.
Oh.
But you had the fastest. That was the second race. But you had the fastest lap.
Wow.
The second.
Magtatanong na kung ilang laps sila.
Good job.
So, papunta na kami ng next is bowling. Magbo-bowling kami. So, para mag-enjoy talaga yung nila. Yung spring break nila. Thank you for watching.